Right, so let's go ahead and actually open this. So here you go. Okay, so now that it's open, we're gonna actually read the instructions, right? So we got the quick start guide. Um, got the QR there, so they can actually show us how to manipulate the system. And we got the power cords, right? This has to be connected to the electrical outlet. Make sure that you have an APC unit so it can save you from a blackout or whatever the case may be. We don't want this bad boy to burn out. So we got the frequently asked questions here, right? So we're gonna move that aside. We're gonna actually take out the unit. So this is the unit itself. So we'll see that later. Now we're gonna actually see the package. Okay. So this is what it comes with, right? So we got the TS4 Thunderbolt Station 4 from Caldigit, right? And that is the instructions manual, I think. Sure. We got also the rubber feet installation for horizontal orientation. So this is an option. Put it, I guess, on the sides. And look at this. Ooh la la. What do we have here? Caldigit Thunderbolt 4. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Thunderbolt 4. Okay. So this might be the cable that actually connects via the computer. Okay, what else do we got here? We have the power outlet, right? And the last but not least will be power module box. We have the Caldigit information here. I do like Caldigit a lot. It's one of my favorite brands. Has helped me so much with my iPad as well, my iPad Pro. It's very nice as well. The cables are very well done. They're high quality cables. They do a great job. They transfer fast. They do the work fast. So it's a very nice brand. One of my favorite brands, Caldigit. And let's see the unit. Okay, got the unit here. That'll be the UHS2 or the micro SD for any micro SD card that you have. So this will be great for like a DJI Action 2 or GoPro or any action camera that uses that type of card. And this will be great for a Canon camera. This is the type of SD card that I use for my professional camera or my blogging camera. Now I got also the input for the audio. And we have a USB that charges your device, so that's really great. That's very handy. And we got the 20 watts, sorry, for USB-C data on both ports, but it's only on one, but the other one's 10 gigs, I believe. We have a nice soft bottom cover in the TS4. And we got the power, the direct connection with 19 volts, right? We got the 2.5 gigabytes Ethernet cable, and we got two USB-A that charges your device, and two that are readable to transfer information. We got a three Thunderbolt 4 ports here. So this is very, very, very nice to see. I use Thunderbolt a lot, so this will be great for SSDs, right? And anything that actually is major on using an external solid state drive. So this, I believe, goes to the computer directly, and we got the audio input again. So we got another input for the headphones, and another USB-C data, and a display port 1.4. So it's pretty well equipped. It's like a great warrior. So I'm gonna actually check it out. I'm gonna see how it goes. I will actually install it, and I will show you guys a video after I actually install the device, the unit. I finally installed the TS4 from Caldigit. As you guys can see here, I actually made that installation here right now. I'm actually testing it out, and it works amazing. So I was able to actually connect more cables in it. So as you can see, I have an external drive right here. That'll be the SanDisk drive, and my iPad Pro connected to the computer for video editing and what's not. Many other things as well. Got the SSD data, data running in the background as well for other programs that I have installed in there, so I can actually work and not take out the space inside my Mac Mini. As you can see, I have a Mac Mini here. The only bad thing is that there's a bunch of cables everywhere, but it does the magic. It creates a great environment for me to actually work and run many things at the same time. So let's go ahead and take a look in the back, so we can actually appreciate that. So as you can see here, this will be the back of the unit. So this will be all the information in there. There you can see that I have the Thunderbolt 4 connected to the computer, right? That'll be the Thunderbolt 4 down there. I got also let me actually try to zoom in here. Let me adjust the camera real quick. So as you can see, let me zoom in. Let me try to zoom in. Okay, so those ports are actually being used as we speak. So that is a Thunderbolt 4 Caldigit right there, with a white marking in there, so you can see the Caldigit logo in there. And that one is my data SSD drive, so that is actually running in the background for doing other projects as well. And I'm actually running the two USB-As, which is the microphone that I'm using right now, and also the USB-A for the camera, right? So for anything else that you may need it for, a webcam to actually stream or do video conference if you work from home, remote working, you know, working from home, you need a lot of the video calling stuff there for the appointments, working environment. So I got my microphone right here, this one. So as you can see, I have everything in there, so it makes a great environment. It's very easy to manipulate and actually work with, because it's bringing all the information into your computer, and it's creating a very amazing job. As you can see here, this is where I actually work. This is where I do most of my things every day. From backing up, I need to actually install Time Machine. I have to do a lot of things. I'm still missing a lot of ports. So right here, we can see we have the display port open. We have another USB-C that runs itself from any other port, so you can actually use that USB-C. I still have 2 ports from USB-A out in the back, in the rear of it, the 5 gigabit 2.5 gigabit Ethernet in the back here, and as well the 2 ports for audio in and audio out, and an extra USB-C. And in the front, we still have the UHS2, which is the memory micro SD card, and the SD card available. So we have those 2 shortcuts right there, very handy, and right in the front, because that's where we actually work, right? We make things faster right in the hand, right there in the front. Now we have also this port, which is another audio in port. If you're using a microphone in it, that can actually work. So this is one of the strongest ones. I was reading on the instructions manual. And the USB-A that charges your drive. This one actually charges your iPad Pro or iPhone if you have one. So it all depends on what you're actually using. So the wattage is amazing, 98 watts. It's very fast, very nice machinery here. It's an amazing hub. It's pretty small. It has an amazing strength to actually transfer data, and actually I can remove and input and output, eject and mount or unmount drives very easy, without have to actually share the ports from the dongle or whatever the case may be. So this is amazing. I strongly recommend you, if you have an external photo library as an SSD in your Mac, that'll be crazy amazing to run it externally from the internal SSD of the Apple computer. As well, you can be actually running your Time Machine in the background, doing that backup at all times that we always need, just in case we go through an accident and your computer shuts down unexpectedly, or the SSD malfunctions. So there's a lot of advantage by having this little gadget here helping us out with our everyday life. I'm actually studying photography. I'm doing a little bit of video editing and photo editing at the moment. I'm studying, I'm going for those kind of things. So this is extremely handy to run on the side to actually finish your projects. So I really hope this video helped you, and please like and subscribe, follow on the video. Hope this actually helped anyone watching this video about this review. Most of the ports actually sync and they do charge devices, so it is an amazing gadget. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support and have a nice day.